Konnekt K100 System Precast Manufacturing Requirements Video. The M12 K100 Konnekt fixing sockets are specifically selected to bear the required load of our balustrades. Note that substitute fixings may compromise safety. The sockets should be positioned in the mould as indicated in the supplied drawings. 70 mm down from the top of the tread, 130 mm apart, and 125 mm back from the vertical riser to centre of fixing. An installation jig is supplied to facilitate a quick and accurate location of the sockets, ready for casting. Once the staircases are cast, the Konnekt K100 balustrades can be bolted into the inset sockets. While referring to the drawings, select the label-numbered balustrade frame corresponding to the staircase flight number. Check that all fittings are still present on the balustrades, such as the retainer rings, before moving on. Next, insert all M12 bolts into the corresponding sockets and make 2 to 3 turns of each bolt. Make sure that the bolts pass through both the clamping plates within the baluster and the 35 mm diameter spacer discs to the back of the post. Once all bolts are located and engaged, tighten using the Allen key provided. Further adjustments can be made when aligning the flights on site. Once fully assembled, visually check that all fittings and fixings are secure and that nothing should fall off during transportation or installation. Then, check that the protection remains intact and is fitted correctly to the balustrade to prevent accidental damage. Please take care when loading the flights so as not to damage or strain the balustrades. Note that the stair flights should never be lifted by the balustrades. The speed, safety, and simplicity of the K100 system enables effective off-site construction.